Why buy new? Because new is you. Would you buy someone else's shoes, someone else's toothbrush, someone else's bed sheets?
No, you go new. But when you buy an old home, you buy someone else's vision, someone else's tastes, someone else's problems. That's not you. You go new.
New is less maintenance, less upkeep, less frustration. New is there for you. New appliance warranties, structural warranties, roof warranties, so you can rest assured.
New saves you money, priced to compete with other new homes, built to today's more energy efficient standards, built to today's codes, built with a longer life expectancy,
and a longer time to appreciate and value. New saves you time, less time fixing, more time relaxing,
less time retrofitting, more time for you time.
New is all about now. Advanced technology, advanced design, wired for today, wired for the way you play.
New is where you want to be. You select your home site, you select your floor plan. New is ready when you are.
You decide when you want to move in instead of waiting for others to move out. And at Lennar, everything is new, included just for you.
Everything you want, everything you need, new, new, new.
New appliances, new carpet, new sinks, new faucets, new everything, simply included.
So what else is new? Do you want a fixer-upper?
No. Do you want someone else's dream home?
No. Do you want a used bedroom, a used kitchen, a used bathroom?
No. You buy new. That's just you.
For more information, see what's new on Lennar.com.